Hello everybody, welcome back. Founder here. And yeah, today I will be doing an entry video for MyLock 100. So MyLock just reached 100 subscribers, and to celebrate this, he is organizing a giveaway. And he wants us to pick a lock, which I choose this as Zeiss Ikon padlock here. Quite nasty keyway, but wide open. But that's not the focus of today's video. I think that the focus should be in Eureka moments during lockpicking for us. And yeah, one of my first Eureka moments was picking one of these BKS cylinders, because I really learned to feel where I am with the pick in the lock. And yeah, the T-pins they have in the back, you really learn how to what the pin states are. And this was really, when I got this one open for the first time, this was really like, really happy to get this. And yeah, but then I needed to understand what I was doing. And yeah, when I got this under control, this was really like the Eureka moment to learn, I can orientate in the lock with the pick, know what I'm doing, and can get this open. And you didn't get the Eureka moment from opening every lock. Like, once you know how to orientate in the pin tumbler, it's almost the same. But then if you change lock types to, this is just a very cheap disc detainer, then once again you start with, I don't know what I'm doing, and then at some point you know what you're doing actually, and then you can get another Eureka moment from just changing the lock type, which happened for me with this one. And then I branched out with a lot of other disc detainers from that. And most recently I picked an SR600. And while I talk about it, let's start picking actually the Zeiss Ikon. And with this SR600, it just started out with naively with all pins inserted, with all 6. And I got into a false set, was happy, and was like, where's my counter rotation? Like, this one's giving me, right, with normal spools. But of course this has chins and you don't get any counter rotation. And I was like, well, I don't know what's going on. And I just took all pins out except for 2, and I still couldn't get it open, right? Because there was no counter rotation and it was just feeling really strange. And then I watched Artichoke's video on how to pick chins, and this really enlightened me. And from watching that and then going back to these 2 pins in here, that was really a great feeling, that suddenly I know what I was doing, and this was really cool. So getting this open with just 2 pins was one of my last Eureka moments. Of course it felt even better than once it was fully populated, but I think once you know what you're doing in the lock, this is really like, this is it. And if you're not just poking around like I do with this one here, let's concentrate a bit on the lock. Okay, this is really nice false set, if you can notice. I don't know, good counter rotation, and drops all the pins you set before. And you think it's open, but no, just a really deep false set. There we go. nice. I always still love the shackle pop. And yeah, I don't know. Lockpicking is just really awesome, and your contribution to lockpicking is really cool. MyLock, I really like your mini Monday series where you pick the tiniest of locks. Really cute. And yeah, thanks for organizing this giveaway, and off to many more subscribers. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.